Wow, we are asked to simplify this. Don't worry, I will make it simple for you, okay? As you can see, they asked us to simplify this. The first thing that should give you joy is because of this 60, 30, 60. When you see 60, you see 30, you see 45. These three, they are special angles. All you need to do, just remember the diagram. This is 60, this is 30, this is 1, this is 2, this is square root of 3. The next thing you should remember is show ka toi. Okay? Next now, we start replacing all this tan 60, cos 30 as sine 60. Okay? So these two, we put the 2. Remember, between these 2 and tan, there is multiplication, invisible multiplication. So what is tan 60? That is toi. Toi. Okay? Toi means tangent is equals to, that is tangent is equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. That is square root of 3 over 1. Plus, what is cos 30? That is ka. Ka. Ka mean what? Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? This is the 30 adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? That is square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Then we go for the denominator. That is sine 60. Sine opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 60 opposite over hypotenuse. That is square root of 3 over 2. That is all. This is simply what? 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 3 over 2 all over square root of 3 over 2. Then we need to work on this numerator. Going to have 2 here. This will give us 4. Okay, let me explain it step by step. Let's work on the numerator, this. Okay? What is the SCM? I'm going to make this one over 1, okay? What is the SCM? SCM is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by that will give us 4 square root of 3. This and this will cancel, remain square root of 3. All over what was here before. Because this guy at the denominator does not require any SCM work. So here now, as you can see, 4 square root of 3 and only 1 square root of 3. It's like 4x plus x, which is 5x. So this is what? 5 square root of 3 over 2. This is divide, right? Divide by square root of 3 over 2. So now 5 square root of 3 over 2 we multiply. I'm changing this to multiply. Then we turn this upside down because of this action. This and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. The final answer is 5. So 5 is our answer for this question.